Hey guys, back again on an unboxing video on the Asus USB-BT400 USB adapter, Bluetooth 4.0. I just got this today from Merry Express. The price was $20. I'll put it in the subscription, and let's show you the specs. Here we go. We got, this is pretty cool so you plug this straight in your computer basically. You got power saving, Bluetooth low energy, that's pretty cool. Fully compatible, so you get 3.0, 2.1, 2.0, so it's all compatible with all devices, and supported with Windows 10. 2 years warranty, and yeah, Bluetooth. Let's open it. Okay, here we go. Here we go. Oh. Did not know there's a clip on that. Okay, here we go. Take the stuff out. See what it comes with. Oh yeah, and I'll show you the back of the box, what it looks like and everything there. And that's what it looks like when you plug it in chill out them, and you connect all your devices like your audio, anything, printer, keyboard, mouse, your sound system. Yeah. Okay, anyway, let's show you the Bluetooth card itself. That's how small this little thing is. You can't even notice how tiny this thing it really is. I like the Asus logo on the front. And yeah, so you just plug this straight to your computer. And I'll show you what it comes with here. It says right away stop. It just tells you what to not do. It says having trouble, you just call this number and stuff. So yeah, it has a booklet, instructions. And then the CD software, always download this first, so I'm going to do that. That's for software for the Bluetooth, so it can work. Leave up here. And that's all, folks. Like and subscribe. See you again in another unboxing video.